Today we are doing Ajoa bene, the intro, requested by Humble Lion. Humble Lion, you say you should do Ajoa bene, the intro. You specified that you should do the intro, but still we'll go to the solo, but next time. But this particular lesson, we are on the intro. The key is G. You have the key G here. That is do, mi, so, do, mi. Back to do or so. You can add here or that is G. Or G here. So the player walks along the guitar board. So let's do the intro. So he played, that is so, si, la, because G, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, and do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That is this. So first for G. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Again, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That is the G I'm talking about. So here we start. Do, 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 ti, la. Again. Do, do, do. So do, 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 ti, la. Again. Do, 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 ti, la. Mi, fa, mi, re. Again. Mi, fa. That is mi. You hear what? Do and mi. Ti and re. La and do. That is the duet. So we play the do and mi together. Ti and fa. Ti and re. La and do. That's do, 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 ti, la. That is mi. That is so and mi. That is la and fa. La, fa. Again. That is re. Fa and re. Fa, re. So let's take it slow. That's the first part. That is so or so duet. So, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Then because of how the attack is, we have a whole lot of instruments, bass, guitar, drums, keyboards, and other sessions playing the punch for you. So sometimes you can ignore the punch, so you play. Bang, 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 then bang. They can punch, or you can punch together with them. So let's do. So we've done the punches ourselves, or you can leave the punches to them. Bang, bang. They can punch for us. Either we punch or we punch together with them, or we leave the punch for them. So let's go. Do, do, ti, la, so, la, re, so, mi, fa, mi, re. Again. Do, 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 ti, la, mi, fa, mi, re. So, mi, fa, mi, re, do. So let's take it slow. when we start, we are starting the whole thing. We started like this. That is so, si, la. And we all punch do. Sometimes we will play again. So, si, la, we all play do. So let the sound fade out. Then you come attack. So the second, when we play, so we don't want to. So let's go to the rhythm. So let me put the preference down so that every beginner will get exactly what I'm telling you. So the do chord, then we come to re, that's A minor, though it's G major, A minor. So the song is double G. So that is do, re, do, 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 re, do, re. So the four chords sounds like that. Do, re, do, re. So let's count that in your mind. Do, re. We have to make sure that we are playing the whole 6 strings. So from the A minor chord, you see here, you play the re, that's A minor. Then you move to do, that's G major. So you see, you have to make the bass sound good to make the rhythm be very thick. So let's do the detail. In the do chord, you play, let this one be the leading note. That is so. So the G chord, that's A minor. Or so let's go. So when we see we position the fingers on the A minor chord, we have to play the A, that's the fifth string open. Then we play the down, that's from the second string. So again, when we play, we have the G chord the same way we play where the bass note is. We play the down from the second string. So let's go slowly. Same way again. Then we start re, do, re, do, do, re, do, re, do, re, do, re. So that is the rhythm side. So let me re, do, re, do, re, do, re, do, re, do, that one. So we still on the do chord, so that's more me double G songs. You normally have this type of sound in them, so that's why. So I have to add the bass note, making the rhythm sound deep. So after the solo has played, we'll not tackle the solo today, but there is another rhythm we have to deal with it. So in the next lesson of Ajoa bene, we will do only the solo side. So that's the reason why I've left the solo side out. So that one is very nice to use. The player plays that. Do, fa, fa. So let's take it. Then he add so means that is the leading note. Then when we move to fa, so we slide from so to la. Tackle how to use the plectrum or put the plectrum down and use the fingers. So in this lesson, I don't want to make it long, more than 20 minutes. As I promised, it makes the lesson boring. So thank you all for joining me, Oliver Frimpong. Your name will be something very common on this platform. Oliver Frimpong, Joshua, Boss Isaac Frimpong to Samuel Sega Fidelis Bonnie in Bami, Samuel Sega, Bright Amisa Waters, Bright Answer. You two, one of my directors, Bright Answer. I know you're doing following me there with the concept. So, for Isaac too, you are welcome. Clever Kim, you have a request from our father, Oliver Ikok. Opportunity I will do very soon. I had problem with my phones and other stuff, so I'm now fixing everything. So you don't worry, everything, all the requests are here. They are money. These are some but few. Sandy Strings GH YouTube. After this, the request is coming. So you are all welcome to this wonderful channel. I will do answer or respond to all the requests very soon. So if your request is not in at the moment, you just don't worry. All the requests will be honored very soon. Thank you for joining. We shall meet